Cleanliness and repeatability might sound like different concepts, but in the world of parts fabrication, without cleanliness, repeatability suffers. And when repeatability is compromised, profitability decreases. Software, like SheetCam, will nest your parts to reduce cut times and lower material waste. When you're estimating the time it'll take to finish a project, it's easy to look at the cutting time as a fairly good estimation. A plasma cutter will cut quickly. A fiber laser cutter, even quicker. Once the cutting is finished, turn it over. This is where the technologies diverge. Plasma cutters do a great job on most metals. However, by its very nature, a fiber laser cutter cuts cleaner. When you're fabricating multiple units, the time you don't have to spend grinding means time for additional projects and more money in your pocket. So you could say, cleanliness is the cost of improved repeatability. Visit our website for more information on our plasma cutters and our brand new Apollo CNC fiber laser cutter. Figure out the best fit for you. And of course, keep an eye out for more videos just like this one.